Okay, so here we are doing the other side of the page, page 294. This is the second side for lesson 147. Introducing the 3 multiplication family, or multiplying by 3. Knowing how to count by 3s is very helpful when you're learning how to multiply by 3. So let's start out with the first problem, which is 0 times 3, and we know that any number times 0 is 0. 5 times 3. Well, let's count by 3s 5 times. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 5 groups of 3 is the same as 15. 5 times 3 equals 15. All right, let's do it again for the next problem. 10 times 3. I don't think we need to count this one because we know that 3 times 10 already is 30. Any number times 10, you just put a 0 on the end. 4 groups of 3, or 4 times 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, the next one is 9 times 3. 9 times 3. One way you can do a multiplication fact for 9 is you can just go to 10 and then subtract the 3. So 10 times 3 is 30, and 30 minus that last 3 is 27, but let's count by 3s anyway. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. 9 times 3 equals 27. All right. And the next one is 3 groups of 3. 3, 6, 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. 8 times 3, let's count up. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, 2 times 3. That's pretty simple. 2 times 3 is 6. Or 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 groups of 3. We've learned that one. 7 times 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Oh, I went too far. Cross off that 24. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. Let's erase the marks. And we're doing 12 times 3 now. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. 12 times 3 is 36. Let's erase the marks. Okay. 6 times 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 6 times 3 equals 18. And now we have 11 times 3, which we don't really need to count because, again, any number times 11, you just double the number. 11 times 3 is 33. And 1 group of 3 is, of course, 3. Okay, so you guys can practice those and try to start memorizing the 3 family for multiplication. I would worry more about the 1, 2, 5, and 10 families, and 11. We did 11, that's easy. So I would practice those the most, and then when you have free time, add the 3s in. For number 2, 1 yard is a group of 3 feet. Write the number of feet by multiplying by 3. So if we have 1 yard, 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 3 yards would be how many feet? Well, each yard has 3 feet, so that would be 3 times 3. 3 groups of 3 feet equals 9 feet. Okay, 9 yards. How many feet will be in 9 yards? Well, that would be 9 groups of 3, or 9 times 3. 9 times 3 equals 27. 6 yards equals how many feet? Well, 6 times 3, or 6 groups of 3 feet, 18. 10 yards, that's the same as 10 groups of 3 feet, would be 30 feet. 10 times 3 equals 30, and 0 times 3 equals 0 feet. 0 yards, 0 feet. Number 3, this morning there were some tents set up at the campground. In the afternoon, 17 more tents were set up. Now there are 47 tents set up. How many tents were in or at the campground in the morning? These are getting more challenging, guys, but I know you can do it. All right. We know that there were some tents set up. So we're going to try to figure out how many. We're going to put a box to represent the missing number. Okay. Now there are 47 tents set up. But they also set up 17 in the meantime, okay? But we know that right now there are 47. And we know also that they set up 17 in the afternoon. So here's what we know. This number that's missing plus 17 equals 47. And in order to find this number, we need to subtract 47 minus 17, because this answer will be what you add up to 17, or add to 17 to add up to 47. So 7 minus 7 is 0, 4 minus 1 is 3. There were 30 tents at the campground this morning when they got there. All right, so we started out with 30, 17 more came in the afternoon, and now there's a total of 47. So on the line, you would write your problem. 47 minus 17 equals 30 what? We need to label. Remember the clue, they put it in the color for you. 30 tenths. All right, that's the end of the second side for lesson 147. Again, any questions, give me a call.